much am I supposed to be getting weekly through workers' comp?
Okay, so that's a question about the second benefit that workers' comp offers. Those are called your temporary benefits. While you're treating with the workers' compensation doctors, if they've got you all the way out of work, like you can't return to work in any fashion, the workers' compensation people are supposed to be paying you 2/3 of your average weekly wage. Okay. That is, it's another situation where it's fact sensitive, but the way the statute reads is they're supposed to calculate your average weekly wage, what you make each week on average, and then pay you 2/3 of that as your comp rate. The idea is it's supposed to represent an after-tax net, like what your take-home pay. But the way they calculate it is they're supposed to take the 52 weeks preceding the quarter in which you were injured and then flatten that amount out and divide it by the week's work, because sometimes somebody's going to work swing shifts, or sometimes you're going to have more overtime. So what they want to do is they want to flatten that out and they want to account for it in your average, and that's what they're supposed to pay you. But that math gets done wrong all of the time. I'd say more than half the time there needs to be some adjustment made in favor of the injured worker, because the adjusters are busy. The workers' comp adjusters for the comp carrier, they're busy, and they're moving one stack of papers to the other, and they simply don't have the time to pour through somebody's wages and get it right. That's why you need to have a law firm that does workers' compensation go through your file and make sure that you're getting what you're supposed to get, because if you're on a set budget, if that's the only money coming into your household, that a small $50 amount each week can make a big difference over the course of a few weeks. So you really need to pay attention to that stuff.